Let's make Bang Bang Chicken. This spicy chicken is so good on rice, accompanied by fresh cucumber, shredded carrots, and red cabbage. You can make it as a rice bowl or as lettuce cups, which is a great way to reduce your carbohydrate intake. For example, if you follow a ketogenic diet. The absolutely addictive Bang Bang sauce is a savory blend of mayonnaise, sweet Thai chili sauce, sriracha, maple syrup, soy sauce, and fish sauce. You'll want to guzzle gallons of this sauce. It's literally that good. Yum! This recipe is easy and affordable and comes together in under 30 minutes. Let's get started. For the rice bowl option, you will need 2 cups of cooked rice for 4 servings. I'll just get that going now. Now's about the time I really wish that I had a rice cooker. Share your recommendations below.
Help me, I'm poor.
Next, I'll make the Bang Bang sauce. For that, you'll need 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons sweet Thai chili sauce. This is what I'm using. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. You could use honey instead. 2 teaspoons sriracha. Absolutely use more if you like it spicy. Half a teaspoon of fish sauce. This is the secret ingredient that gives it that great umami. And 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Mix that up really well and set aside while we prep all the vegetables. I will give it a little taste first to see if it needs anything. Nope, it's perfect, just like you.
Perfection.
First, I'm going to peel and shred 1 large carrot. I'm using this handy shredder tool that I found in a drawer that I don't even remember buying. How cool is this? Next, I'm going to finely slice a red cabbage. I'm actually only going to use 1/4 of this cabbage for the recipe. As always, if there's a kind of cabbage you like better, use that. Next, I'm going to slice up some scallions or green onions. I'm going to separate the white and green parts. The white parts will get cooked with the chicken and the green parts will be used as garnish at the end. Next, I'm going to slice up cucumber. You can use 1 large cucumber or 3 of these mini cucumbers. Optionally, you can sprinkle on a little rice vinegar over the cucumbers. It gives them a little zip. Last, I'm going to chop up some cilantro, that most controversial herb. I think the hate for cilantro in my house is about 50-50, so I like to leave it on the side so people can add it if they like it, or openly shun it and mock it like they do in my house. Personally, I love it. Does that make me evil? Maybe. Tell me, do you like cilantro? Anyway, over in Stoveland, we've got a skillet over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of neutral oil. This is avocado oil. When that gets hot and starts to shimmer, add 1 pound or about 450 grams of ground chicken. Now add the spices. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and the white parts of the scallions we sliced earlier. Stir and cook for about 10 minutes until the chicken is nicely crumbled and browned and cooked through. Don't forget to add some salt and pepper. When browning ground meat, I like to let it sit undisturbed for a minute so it can really get that nice brown color. That brown color is pure flavor. I've sped up this video, but hopefully you can see where I stopped stirring briefly. This is looking good now, so the last thing to add is 1/4 cup of the Bang Bang sauce and stir that in. Adding some of the sauce to the chicken will help hold it together in the lettuce cups as well. This chicken is done, so let's put it all together. I'll assemble a rice bowl first. For 1 bowl, start with 1/2 cup of rice. Top with 1/4 of the cooked chicken. Drizzle on a generous amount of that delicious Bang Bang sauce. Or if you're feeling extra, drizzle it over the whole thing at the end. Yummy. Add a handful of the shredded red cabbage. And a handful of the shredded carrots. Add as much as you want. If these pieces are too long for your taste, you can always cut them shorter. Now add your sliced cucumbers. You don't have to add them all in a pretty row like this. You can just put a pile of them on there. Now I'm going to sprinkle on some green onions. And I think I'll add some sliced avocado as well. Now this is completely optional, but I'm going to sprinkle on some sesame seeds. Now doesn't that look delicious? Now I'll show you how to put together the lettuce cup option. For lettuce, I like to use butter lettuce because the leaves are so tender and tasty. You can also use iceberg lettuce leaves or baby romaine leaves are good. Honestly, just use whatever you have or you like. I'll put together 3 lettuce cups for you. I think you could realistically get 4 to 5 lettuce cups per person out of this recipe. How much chicken to add to each leaf depends on the size and type of the leaf. You're going to get messy eating it anyway, so it really doesn't matter. Now just add whichever veggies you want in whatever order you want. The lettuce cups can't hold all of the veggies, so use your discretion. This lettuce cup option is so light and refreshing. It would also make a really great appetizer or a party snack. If you're interested in the nutrition information or macros for the lettuce cups, you can input the recipe into an app like MyFitnessPal, and it will give you those numbers. If you're into high protein, you can try using ground turkey and adding edamame beans, for example. Another high protein change is to use Greek yogurt instead of mayo for more protein. Personally, I like to make sure I'm eating tons of fiber for a healthy gut, so the more veggies, the better. More veggies equals more bang bang sauce, am I right?
I do what I want.
Once you've filled your cups with your preferred veggies, drizzle on that bang bang sauce. So good, you guys. And then of course you can optionally garnish with your cilantro and sesame seeds. Will you just look at that? That looks so refreshing and delicious. I think this is my favorite way to eat the bang bang chicken. You can find the link to the full printable recipe in the description box below. Oh, and I almost forgot to pay the river tax. She's getting cucumbers, which is her favorite. If you're new here, welcome! Make sure you subscribe so you never miss when I upload a new recipe. And I would really appreciate it if you gave this video a like. It really does help a small channel. I really do appreciate you spending your time with me today. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, if you like food in bowls, why not try one of these recipes?